What is up, guys? Trizzle Trey with TrizzTech&Electronix, and as you can see, we're unboxing the Philips Shoqbox. Now this is a wireless Bluetooth speaker, definitely super rugged, and we're gonna move it off to the side here really quickly so that we can get through the rest of the riff-raff real quick and get back into the star of the show, which is the Shoqbox, which I'm sure you guys are really interested to see in this video. So as you can see here, this box is inside of the box, and the first thing that we see in here is this little tiny package that's containing, first off, this little tiny carabiner. And this is to hook the Shoqbox to a backpack or something, so that you can listen to some music while you're walking around. The next thing is the documentation. It first starts off with your user manual. Then you've got some safety and warranty information from Philips. And the last part of the documentation in here is some worldwide guarantee information from Philips as well. The next thing in the packaging is a bunch of cables. The first one being a double USB to micro USB. This is what you hook to a computer if you need to plug it in. And this is your charging cable, which is a USB to micro USB, which goes into this beast right here, which is your AC power adapter. You plug the USB into the bottom right here, and the micro USB into the bottom of the Shoqbox to charge it. With that said, all the riff-raff out of the way, let's bring on the star of the show, which is the Philips Shoqbox. As you can see here, it is Bluetooth enabled, as you can see here with the branding right here. This thing is also a little sensor. You can swipe up and down to skip or back up tracks, or you can move your hand up and down above the sensor to pause or play tracks. It's definitely pretty cool in case you're on your desk or something, you're moving music. As you can see here on the other side of that is this little hook. This is where that tiny little carabiner that I showed you earlier in the video goes. You just type the little carabiner into this and then hook it onto whatever kind of accessory you would like. Now down towards the bottom below that is a line in port. Now this is in case you're using an MP3 player or something that does not have Bluetooth capability. You can still use this speaker. You just plug a 3.5mm audio jack from the MP3 player and then straight into that hole. Now here on the very top of the device, or the left hand side depending on which orientation you have this in, is your volume and power. It's definitely pretty unique. You have your little power/mode button right here. It's pretty much what you do to select all your settings, and then this little tiny wheel here is your volume rocker. Definitely something pretty interesting. It's not something I've seen very often on devices. Now the last part on the bottom here is your charging port. This is where the micro USB cable goes when you are charging the Shoqbox. Also in the bottom corner here is the reset button, just in case something happens and you can't get it to pair correctly. Now, you guys have seen everything going on with the external portion of this device. Now, I'm sure you guys want to know the audio quality. So I'm going to step back here for a second and let you guys listen. So that pretty much does it with the video, guys. I will let you be the judge of the audio quality of this device. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to the TrizzTech&Electronix channel if you haven't done so yet. And I will be catching you guys in the next video very, very soon. I'll be catching you guys soon. Take care.